Watch this spin. Transform images into short videos with VEO3.
Oh, I always feel at home in this little cafe.
Yeah.
Me too. It feels like our little escape from the world.
Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you something really exciting. How to create unlimited AI videos with Google VEO3, completely free. And when I say unlimited, I mean you will be able to make as many as you want. Full HD quality with smooth movement, perfect soundtrack, and even characters that talk naturally. The really amazing part, you can keep your character consistent across videos. Normally, that is one of the biggest headaches in AI video creation. But with this method, it's no longer a problem. So stick with me to the end because I will show you the exact steps and also the trick to unlock unlimited free credits. So let's go there. The tool we are going to use is called Whisk AI. This is actually Google's official platform for VEO3. So I've added the link down in the description of this video. Just click it and you will land on this home page. Okay? Now to get started, you will first need to sign in with your Google account. So once you do that, the main dashboard will open up. So before we can make a video, we first need to generate an image. So here is how. You need to type your prompt in the prompt box. ChatGPT can help you with the image prompt. Okay? So take close attention. If you want to keep your character consistent across multiple videos, here is how you achieve that. Go to settings. Once you click on it, you will see seed is unlocked to give more varieties. So let me explain what this means. Once you input your prompt, it will generate inconsistent varieties of images with your single prompt. But I will recommend you lock the seed. That is, seed is locked to create similar output. This means it will now generate consistent images with your single prompt. Then you click on generate. And that is it. In just a few seconds, you will get a high quality image without any watermark. And the best part, no credits are used for image generation. You can create as many images as you want in any style you like. Now let's convert the image into a video. Now you will come up here and click on animate button at the top here. So you enter your motion prompt. For example, you can enter the person smiling or waving or character talking with hand gestures. But you need to make it simple and detailed. What I did here, I just pasted same image prompt and I added little modification, that is the body movement and what I want my character to say in the video. And that's what I've done here. That means you need to specify what the character should say in the prompt, then you click generate. So wait a few moments and boom, your video is ready. So let's check it out.
How do you like my cat?
You can see the visuals are super smooth. The lip sync looks great and everything is in full HD quality. How cool is this? Now here is the thing. Whisk AI lets you generate unlimited high quality images for free without watermarks. But when it comes to videos, you only get 5 free generations. Each time you create a video, 1 credit is used. So once you hit 0, you won't be able to generate more videos. But don't worry, I'm going to show you a 100% official Google official method to unlock unlimited free credits. Before that, let us try to generate more videos. I'm going to paste my image prompt here. Then I will generate the image. Then I will click on animate. In this prompt box, you need to paste the image prompt, then add the motion prompt and the dialogue. That is what you want the character to say in the video. Then you click generate.
Watch this spin. Transform images into short videos with VEO3.
I As you can see, I have only 3 free video generation credits remaining. So I will have to use it to generate these videos.
This is the best canoe ride ever! Viewers, join me and create with Whisk VEO3.
I always feel at home in this little cafe.
Yeah.
Me too. It feels like our little escape from the world.
I have used it to generate these videos that you're seeing on the screen. So I'm left with 0 credit. Don't worry, I will show you how I unlock unlimited free credit to create more videos. So let's go there. So what we need to do now, we want to unlock unlimited video generation. So go to Google and search for Google Skill Boost. You type in Google Skill Boost. Now click on the first website that shows up. Okay, once you click on that, you simply sign in with your Google account. So after signing in with your Google account, so you click on Explore Catalog here. This page will pop up. Now in the search bar, you need to type generative AI. You type generative AI. So after searching for generative AI, just scroll down. Here you will see different labs with different timing. Now you have to find the one that shows 45 minutes. It will say generative AI with Vatters. Okay? So from the list, look for the lab called generative AI with Vatters. That is 45 minutes. Or if you cannot find it, look for prompt design in Vatters AI. So click on it. Under it, you will see generative AI with Vatters, 45 minutes long. So click on it. And once you click on it, start lab. And click on start lab. Okay, once you click on start lab, then scroll down to glance through the lab. Then you will see that an option to open the Google Cloud Console will pop up. So what you will need to do now, if you are on desktop, right click and select open in incognito window. But if you are on mobile, you need to long press, copy the link and open in a new incognito tab. Okay, so because I'm using laptop, I just need to right click on it and pick open in incognito window. Once it opens, simply accept the terms and conditions. Now click agree and continue, and that is it. You will get a temporary Google Student account. Now you will need to head back to Whisk AI and sign in with your temporary account. Once you sign in with your temporary account, you will immediately see 5 free video generation again. Okay, and the best part, every time you start a new lab, you will get another 5. You can see you can repeat this as many times as you want, giving you unlimited credit. How cool is this? But quick warning, never use this temporary account on other AI tools. If you do, your lab access could be restricted and you won't be able to start new labs again. So keep the account only for Whisk AI. Okay, so what we need to do now, since we have another opportunity for 5 free video generation again, so we want to quickly repeat the process of creation. From here, just follow the same process. Generate an image with your prompt. You want to generate an image with your prompt. You animate it with your motion prompt. You animate with your motion prompt. Then you click generate. You can see more videos have been generated. Each time you run out of credit, just go back to Google Skill Boost, start a new lab, and refresh your Whisk AI account. And that is it. You now know how to create AI video with Google VEO3, keep your characters consistent, and get smooth video, HD quality, and natural lip sync. And most importantly, unlocking unlimited free credit. But keep this in mind, this method works right now because Google allows it. We don't know how long it will stay free, so make the most of it while you can. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel for more AI tools and methods, and drop a comment. Let us know the kind of video you'll be creating with VEO3. Thanks for watching, take care, and we will see you in the next video.
This is the best canoe ride ever! Viewers, join me and create with Whisk VEO3.
Look what I caught today!